In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft Outlook account name. This is the name that appears in the From line when people receive your emails, and it's different from your email address or password. Updating it can help your messages look more professional and consistent across devices. I'll walk you through the process in Classic Outlook on the desktop and in Outlook on the web, so you can use whichever version you prefer. Let's start in Classic Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer, and look to the top left corner for the File tab. Click File to open the Backstage view, then choose Account Settings, and from the drop-down, click Account Settings again. In the window that appears, you'll see a list of your email accounts. Highlight the account whose name you want to change. With the account selected, click Change. In the Settings dialog, locate the field labeled Your Name. This is the display name that recipients will see. Update it to the full name you want to use, making sure the spelling and capitalization look the way you want. When you're satisfied, click Next to apply the change, and then click Close to finish. From now on, new emails you send from this account will reflect your updated display name. If you're using Outlook on the web, the change happens through your profile. Go to Outlook.com and sign in if prompted. In the top right corner, click your profile icon, then select My Profile. On your profile page, choose Edit Name. Enter your first and last name exactly as you'd like them to appear, then click Save. This updates your Microsoft account profile, which Outlook on the web uses for your display name. After you make the change, whether in Classic Outlook or on the web, it may take a little time to appear everywhere. In many cases you'll see it within minutes, but in some environments it can take a few hours for the update to propagate across devices and services. If you don't see it immediately, give it a bit of time. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.